is Tim here from Your 6 To-Dos. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear and stop the background apps. So you have this little switcher right here. If you swipe up, you might see this too, but it might be all the way to the left for you. We can just go to close all apps right there. And then we can also go to the top right and go to settings, scroll on down, and locate storage or device care. So I can go to device care right here, tap this, and under storage I have memory. And it'll check for the memory, all the different background apps running right now, and I can go to clean now. And it will show me how much memory has been freed up. So every once in a while, if I don't restart my phone, I should just come here and just do this so it frees up memory. Now you can stop background apps too by going to settings. Go all the way down to about phone, tap this. Look for build number in here. This might be in software information. And just tap this like 5 times. Then back out. And locate developer options. Now this might be located under system for your phone, Google Pixel, Motorola. Samsung is just located near about phone. And we want to look for the option for running services. And then go to this and you can stop your background apps. So you can even stop like Bluetooth stuff on here. So let's go to one of these options. Here's my files. I can go to stop operations for this. Messages, I can stop this as well. So if something's running in the background, this provides you a good way to just stop it from running, as well as you can force stop it too. So you can look at that as an option. Also, you can go to this under applications. So if we go to apps, you can force stop apps under here. So the only problem is you can't really see what's running here. Let's go to one of these things, like this one right here. We can go to force stop, and it will stop it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.